Hi, this is Kirk with Forex Strategy Secrets with Pointers on Trading. I want to talk about a little topic that many people get really excited about, and this is called trading the news. We want you to not worry about trading the news. By the time you hear the news, it's already happened, it's history, and the market's already moved. It might get some jitters because of people entering and exiting, but it's not really going to affect the market long term. You need to figure out what the market's doing, trade in the direction of the market, do what the market's doing right now. That's what you need to do. So what we're going to do is add some charts in here, and I'll give you some examples of what I'm talking about.
In looking at charts about trading the news, we feel like you should trade in the direction of the trend on the 4-hour chart. Here's an example of some moving averages. They've got a good angle, good separation, good solid downtrend. Here's another example of a good solid uptrend. And you see that there's a good solid uptrend as in right in this area, and the news drives the market down. After a while, you're going to see that it'll pull back up. Wait for that move to pull back up. Wait until your indicators tell you that it's time to make a trade back into the direction of the trend, and you'll have a trade that's going to have a good chance of being successful for you. In this first chart is an example of the trend was down up in this area, and then the news drove the price way high. After it had exhausted itself, boom, there was some good chances to make some good money. And this is on a 4-hour chart, so there's plenty of time to have traded and found some good signals there. Once it had, after it exhausted its move up and down and got back into the regular trend, it just moved right on down. Now when the trend is up like it was over here and the news drove it down, you can see that it it came back up and continued on in the trend. So you see another example right here where this was another look of a downtrend, and the market drove it down. It tried to recover and go up, but the news drove it down some more. But you notice that when it finally decided, it got right in the line with the trend, and the news would drive it down even more. Right here, this is a good example of a big long trend on the 4-hour chart. Now each of these arrows is marking a spot where the news drove it up or down, the price is up or down, and you can see what happened to it. Eventually it all sucked back in and continued in the direction of that trend on the 4-hour chart. And I've heard some people say that trading the foreign currency market is just like an ATM machine. Well, that is not really true. There's a lot of people that trade the news, and there's so many people trying to get in the trade all at the same time that not all of them are going to be filled, and they're disappointed because the price has moved on them. Now there are some traders that do make money trading the news, but it's not the common. Most people lose money while trading the news, and it takes skill and practice to develop the ability to make money while trading the news. If the news is trading in a good solid direction, so if you do take your trades out of the middle, then you'll have a good chance of making money when trading in the news. Now these are just a few of our views on trading the news.
So treat the news for what it really is, and the reporting of the news for what it really is. It's just sheer entertainment. And save yourself some time and don't worry so much about the news. It's good to know when the news is, but don't worry about what it is. This is Kirk from ForexStrategySecrets.com, and this is our trading pointers. Talk to you another time, and I hope you enjoyed it.